Hey, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to click on Themes app. Now click on the search bar over here and type in wherever you wish to, like black. Then select one of those themes by tapping on the best one for you and click in Free, or in this case Buy. Or you can also go back, click on Me section over here at the bottom right corner, scroll down and tap on one of those themes. I will go with Summer. Then click on Apply, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, when I go back, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!